You've seen the hype. Wake up at 5 a.m., conquer the world, join the 5 a.m. club. Sounds epic, right? But here's the truth. I tried it for 60 days and it almost broke me. Lost sleep, gained stress, zero gains. If you're a normal person with a 9-to-5, kids, or just a life, the 5 a.m. club is a myth. But what actually works? A realistic routine that fits your reality and makes you unstoppable. I'll show you mine, the one that turned my chaotic mornings into a superpower. I bought the book, watched the TED Talk, downloaded the app. Woke up at 4:45 a.m. for the first week, chugging green juice and journaling by candlelight. By week 2, I was a zombie, snapping at my partner, zoning out in meetings, crashing at 3 p.m. The 5 a.m. club promises godlike productivity, but for normal people, it's a recipe for burnout. The founder himself admits it's not for everyone, but the Instagram gurus don't tell you that. Reality check. Most winners don't wake at 5 a.m. Tim Ferriss wakes at 8:30. Ariana Huffington swears by 7 a.m. Even Elon Musk sleeps till 7. The club works for some, athletes, CEOs with nannies, but for you and me? We have jobs, commutes, and Netflix binges. Forcing a 5 a.m. start disrupts your circadian rhythm, spikes cortisol, and tanks your immune system. I gained 4 pounds from stress eating and quit after 60 days, no closer to unstoppable. So what does work for normal people? A flexible, science-backed routine that starts when you're ready, not when the sun's still asleep. Mine is 7:15 a.m., 45 minutes, no gym, no green smoothies. Just 5 steps that fit a 9-5 life and deliver 80% of the benefits with 20% of the effort. Step 1. The 2-minute anchor, wake without war. My alarm is a gentle chime at 7:15, no blaring horns. I keep my phone across the room. The first act is standing up. No snooze. I open the curtains for natural light, even if it's grey, and drink 16 Oz of water with lemon. Takes 2 minutes. Why? Light suppresses melatonin, water rehydrates after 7 to 8 hours dry. This anchors your day. You're awake, hydrated, and in control before the chaos hits. Step 2. The 10-minute mind dump. Clarity first. I grab a notebook, or app if you're techie, and write 3 things. 1 gratitude, 1 big win for today, 1 let go. The worry I don't need. No perfection, stream of consciousness. This clears mental clutter, boosts dopamine naturally, and sets intention. Studies from Harvard show it reduces anxiety by 25%. Coffee can wait, clarity can't. Step 3. The 15-minute fuel and move, energy without extremes. Breakfast is simple, eggs or yogurt with nuts, eaten mindfully at the table. No scrolling. Then, 5 minutes of movement, walk around the block, stretch, or 10 push-ups. For normal people, this is enough to raise endorphins without exhaustion. Pair it with protein for stable blood sugar, no crash by noon. Step 4. The 10-minute deep dive, protect your prime. From 7:45 to 7:55, I do my deep dive. The one task that moves the needle, email batch, outline a project, plan the day. Phone on do not disturb. This is your prime focus window. Cortisol is high, distractions low, protect it like gold. I doubled my output this way. Step 5. The 8-minute launch, set the tone. Last, review priorities, affirm I got this, and launch. Outfit on, bag packed, out the door by 8:15. The tone, calm confidence. No rush, no regret, that's it. 45 minutes, fits before work, school, or chaos. No 5 a.m. torture. My results? Game changer. Week 1. Less groggy mornings. Gratitude shifted my mindset. Started noticing wins, not lacks. Month 1. Energy steady, finished a project in half the time. Slept better. Irony of a morning routine. Month 3. Quit scrolling first thing. Relationships improved. I was present, not reactive. Side income up 40%. Year 1. Promoted at work. Ran a 5K. Felt unstoppable. Not because I woke at 5, but because I owned my 7:15. The truth? Winners aren't early risers, they're intentional risers. The 5 a.m. club is for outliers. For normal people, a routine that fits your life beats one that breaks it. Science backs it. Consistency trumps intensity, per Sleep Foundation studies. Stop chasing the myth. Build what works for you. Free 45-minute routine. Guide in description. Comment your wake-up time. Mine was 8:15. You don't need to wake at 5. You need to wake like a winner, on your terms.